What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today we're getting rid of the GTO. So I know I've been talking about selling the GTO in the last few videos, in the last podcast, but yeah, it's happening today. The guy that's buying it actually came last night, test drove it, liked it, so he's coming to pick it up within an hour. So I'm not gonna hold the camera in front of his face and do all that while we get this wrapped up, but I am planning on recording, letting her go. To be honest, I have been excited about it all day, just thinking, I'm gonna be able to pay off the Subi and fix up a couple things, but within this last hour or so, it's kind of hit me in my heart a little bit. But I'll be sad to see it go, but it's definitely going to be a good thing. So with that being said, don't leave me, guys. I will definitely have more content on the Subi, as that will be my main daily driven car now, and also the 73 Pontiac Le Mans. That I will finally be able to get out of storage and get here, and I will definitely be making more content on that. I mean, mainly, I'm not, the GTO, the red GTO is currently not drivable, so if I want to have some V8 rear wheel drive fun, I'll be getting the Le Mans out, and that car just needs driven a lot more anyways, as it is. So yeah, I'll have a lot of Subi content, a lot more Le Mans content, because oh my god, I slack on driving the car, so I definitely slack on making videos on it. But we'll have some fun with that, and when I have the money to do some things to the red GTO to, get it around to be able to drive on the street and just, things to do to it in general, I'll be making content on that for sure. So yeah, I will see you guys again once the new owner is leaving in this beauty. Well, she's gone. A little sad, like I thought I'd be. But, yeah. Anyways, it will be for the best, I promise. It's definitely going to help me out financially a lot, so it's a good thing. One thing that's cool but kind of sucks is that at the same time is that he lives in town here, so I am more than likely going to see that car around. I hope you guys can hear that. Anyways, if you guys are alright with seeing this car go and happy for our things that we're going to be doing now, be sure to give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think I should do next, you know, as far as working on the Subi or the red GTO. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.